ready to ditch the bulky wallet and make payments as simple as a tap. Today, we're diving into how to link your Wells Fargo card to Apple Pay for secure and lightning-fast contactless payments right from your iPhone or Apple Watch. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo app installed on your iPhone. Open the Wells Fargo app. You'll need to sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the option to manage your cards. You might see it under a menu like Card Management or My Cards. From your list of Wells Fargo cards, select the one you wish to add to Apple Pay here. You should find an option like Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Apple Pay. Tap on that. This will launch the Apple Wallet app. You'll likely see your card's information pre-filled. Review the terms and conditions carefully and then tap Agree or Next. Wells Fargo may need to verify your identity. This could involve a text message with a code sent to your registered phone number or a quick call to a verification line. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, your Wells Fargo card will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Now, let's see this in action. To pay, simply wake your iPhone by pressing the side button twice. Hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal for Face ID. Look at your screen. For Touch ID, place your finger on the home button. You'll feel a slight vibration and see Done on screen, confirming the payment. Using your Apple Watch, simply double-press the side button and hold your watch face near the contactless terminal. And that's it, a secure, convenient, and fast way to pay with your Wells Fargo card. Enjoy the ease of contactless payments.